little minions, today I am excited because I finally got my EDC pocket knife sharp. There's been so many of these forums out here where, no, you got to achieve the perfect edge by sitting there with your whetstone or this intricate system. You know, I felt a little dirty getting something mechanical, but it works. And so I'm actually gonna hop right into the basic functionality of this. I found that there are very few videos out there about how to actually deploy this thing once it shows up in the mail. So hopefully this short little video will save you 15 or 20 minutes, because when it shows up in the mail, it's gonna look like this. And you're just gonna be kind of looking at this and be like, so do I hold it like a fishing rod? What is this thing? So in this position right here, it's parked. What you're gonna want to do is rotate it up like this until it snaps. And so this triangle is supposed to be pointed straight up. See these two little wings right here? They're kind of like a fork. Those are pointed straight up. To fold it back into the position, it's this little depression, this little lever right here on my thumb. And when you push this down, then it folds like that. And when you push it back, it locks. Very easy. And then we've got this little lever right here. This is pointed down, and that means that it is ideal. This angle is ideal for a pocket knife, because here's what you're going to do. Spoiler alert, you're going to be putting your knife in right there, and then once you achieve a burr, if you're not familiar with that, look up their video. They explain it wonderfully. Once you achieve that burr, then you're going to flip it over to this side, and then you're going to have the same amount of strokes. Let's say 5 strokes on this side. You achieve your burr, go to this side, 5 strokes on that side. But that is specifically for a pocket knife. If you want to have the right angle for a kitchen knife, see that same lever that I pointed to right here? When you flick that up, watch. See, now it's up. It just changed the angle of these guys. And so now when you get a kitchen knife, bad example obviously, but a kitchen knife in there, it is the perfect angle for a kitchen knife. Cool, huh? So they basically locked into the angle into this thing, and it's dummy proof. Like, okay, pocket knife, kitchen knife. How cool is that? The next thing that you're gonna need to know is, how do you actually change the belt on this thing? You're like, okay, do I do this? Do I take the whole thing apart? No, it's so easy. This is what you do. So see this right here? So easy. So when you push this down like this and then rotate it, it stays locked down and it releases all the pressure off of this belt. You slip it off in that direction, you get your honing belt like this, for example, and you thread it back on, and then once it's back into the position right around that wheel, and this wheel up here, you push it down again and then you rotate it up. Give it a few spins just to make sure it's seated properly, and then go ahead and you plug it in, and then go ahead and try it, and it's ready to rock. It still takes some finesse, it still takes some manual dexterity to make sure that you hone your blade to a keen enough edge to try to replicate what you got from the factory. So it's not one of those things where you're just plugging this thing in and you're just wiggling it around and hoping that you get your edge. But there is a lot of guidance on here, and I would recommend this for absolutely every single household out there, if in fact you have a pocket knife or you use your kitchen knives as much as we do. So there you go, real world demonstration, how to deploy this thing right out of the box. Now that I've saved you 15 or 20 minutes, hop over to their website and go and watch their 2 or 3 minute video on how to actually sharpen your knife.